Putting my shopping list together. I've just finished up the gym, putting my shopping list to go shopping. Gonna do a studying. I was studying a little German. Then I'm gonna head home, sit on the balcony, and do some more work. How you guys doing? ToToBeTheBroke.com. You know me, Martin Morris. $94,485 student paid down to $4,888. Yes, it's okay to party when you do a transfer. Probably the average credit card rate is about 30%. If you use $10,000 a year in your credit card, you're paying almost $3,000 in interest. $3,000 in interest a year. 30% of $10,000 is $3,000. If you could get a transfer your balance to a Citibank, which is 0.99% for 1 year or 0%, that means you've saved yourself basically $3,000 of money that would go out. Now you take that money. Part of it you use to pay down the loan or the credit card. Part of it you could use to pay for other bills. Yes, party. I don't mean party and go crazy, but hey, go take out $10, $20, $30, buy you a pizza. Or maybe, hey, take out $100, go take you and your wife out, kids out. Say, hey, you know, I was smart enough to do this credit card balance transfer. Save myself $3,000 in interest. You know what that also means? That's $3,000 extra of money you don't have to pay out of your pocket. That's what I'm saying. That's $3,000. That's more. It's more than just $3,000 interest saved. That's $3,000 interest that goes out. But now that means you have extra money. That $3,000 goes to interest, and it's just gone. Now you have that extra $3,000. You can put it where you want to go, and then use your extra money to pay down your bills, take yourself out, take the kids out. Yeah, it's okay to party. Party on that transfer credit, that transfer balance transfer. Yes, and no, the ad is telling you, yes, party when you do a credit card balance transfer. You've saved yourself basically $3,000 in cash. That's $3,000 you can use toward paying down the loan because your interest is so low. Use it for another bill that's an emergency, because if you don't pay it, it's going to hop up to maybe 50, 60% interest. And then take yourself out. If you have to, out of that $3,000, put $100 away. Just put $100 away in case you're running low at the end of the month. Hey, we have this emergency fund for gas and for food. Or just for yourself, have this emergency fund. I want to go buy this book. Have this emergency fund. I just want to go, like, I need to get some pants, get some underwear. I'm going for a new interview. I need some underwear. So do the credit card balance transfer. You will thank yourself. Only thing you got to remember is to stay disciplined. And we'll talk about that later. We'll worry about discipline, paying off the card. First, you've got to take the action, as Grant says. Make the decision. Do you want to have $3,000 more in your pocket? Some of you have 35, 36, 37%. Do you want $3,600 more in your pocket? It's up to you, man. I mean, do you want to shop at Aldi's all the time? You want to have extra money, go shop at Vons and Sprouts where they help you bag your groceries? No one bags all your groceries by themselves anymore. So think about that. That's right. Party if you do the credit card balance transfer. It means you're smart. That means, hey, man, you're saving yourself money. You're like the rich people. What do the rich people do? They pawn that money off on someone else. They just don't keep it. Whether it's a badge of honor, who cares, man? Half of you going to get divorced anywhere. There's no... teach your kids how to teach your kids how to have money. That's better than teaching them how to be a good husband and good wife. As long as you're not totally psycho. Do the credit card balance transfer. Teach your kids. You know how to teach yourself. You know how to protect your money. Otherwise, you may end up a Suzuki Bank going in foreclosure because you can't pay your bills. You decide. Party on that transfer balance.